Hello and welcome to my channel, Biology Class. Friends, today we will discuss about the anatomy of Eudrillidae. Before that, I request all of my friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel and also watch, like and share my videos with your friends. Eudrillidae is a family of earthworms. Members of this family also have a cylindrical segmented body. The segments, which are known as metamers, are separated internally by transverse walls known as septa. The body is covered by a thin non-cellular cuticle which maintains body shape and protects internal structure. The cuticle is covered by a thin slimy layer of mucus. Below cuticle, epidermis is present, and below epidermis, layer of circular and longitudinal muscles are found. The body cavity of earthworm, which remains filled with fluid, is known as coelom. The coelom, which remains surrounded by muscles, serve as hydrostatic skeleton. An earthworm has no skeleton, either external or internal. Instead, this fluid-filled coelom is used as the hydrostatic skeleton. Contraction of muscles around the coelom allow the worms to move. In addition, small bristle-like structures called setae, which are present on most of the segments, help it grip the soil. In this family, the arrangement of setae is annular or ring-shaped. In the members of this family, the position of the clitellum varies by species, but it is typically located in the anterior portion of the body. In case of Eudrillidae, the clitellum is annular or ring-shaped. It secretes egg capsule protein, albumin and mucus that forms a protective cocoon for the fertilized eggs. In one of the members of this family, known as Eudrillidae, the clitellum covers segments from 13 to 18. The body of Eudrillidae is differentiated into different systems. One of them is the digestive system. The digestive system or the alimentary canal is a long tube which runs from first to the last segment. It begins at mouth and follows through buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, muscular gizzard, stomach, intestine, and final ends at the anus. In this family, the esophagus contains calciferous glands whose secretions are used to neutralize humic acid and other substances present in food. And the muscular gizzard, which is a highly muscular, thick-walled structure, grinds soil particles and other substances into a fine pulp. As food particles move down the alimentary canal, they are digested gradually with the aid of different enzymes. After digestion, the essential nutrients are absorbed through the intestine and the undigested substance is expelled out through the anus. This undigested substance is known as worm casting. In addition, the internal fold of the intestine, known as diphlossal, increases the surface area for absorption. In earthworms, a well-developed respiratory structure is absent, so the organism respires directly through the moist skin. The excretory system of the members of the family Eudrillidae consists of microscopic tubules known as nephridia. These nephridia are described as holoic, as a pair of nephridia is found in most segments. The structures are considered as exonephric because they open directly to the outside surface of the body. Like other earthworms, the circulatory system of the members of this family is also prose-like. It is composed primarily of longitudinal vessels which runs the length of the body. These vessels include dorsal blood vessel, ventral blood vessel, and subneural blood vessels. The circulatory system also contains several pairs of contractile ring vessels known as pseudohearts or aortic arches. The aortic arches, which encircle certain segments in the anterior portion, pumps blood from dorsal to the ventral blood vessel. In case of lumbricids, the male and female reproductive organ are located in different segments. By contrast, in Eudrillidae, the male and female organ are fused into a single complex ovospermatical apparatus. And finally, the nervous system of Eudrillidae is divided into three parts. Number 1, the peripheral nervous system. Number 2, the central nervous system. And number 3, the sympathetic nervous system. This is all about the anatomy of Eudrillidae. For more updates, subscribe my YouTube channel, Sam Biology Class.